Well, this is a special time of year in the European footballing cycle. It's where it all begins again. The lifting of the trophy, the winners' medals. That was all back in May. A mere reminder, a relic of the glory that was and what may be to come, perhaps for one of these. So what a stage for the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. So it's back, bigger and better than ever before. I do hope everybody is ready for another ride on the emotional roller coaster.
Well, the biggest show in town just now, Peter, and everyone wants to be a part of it. A competition that seems to draw out the whole gamut of emotions. And in keeping with that, we've got an atmosphere with a real sense of enthusiasm here. And I'm hoping we get lift-off once this game kicks off.
As you can see, we've already started here. A real chance to break. Samu Castillejo. Good clearance and very necessary. Castillejo shoots! Hits off target and by quite a way.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Dira. Neither side yet able to force a breakthrough here. That's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Going for goal! And he's done it!
Darlington are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
A 1-0 lead established.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Bruges going about it patiently, perhaps too patiently. Dost. Samu Castillejo goes looking. And the counter is on. And the shot! Oh, that is asking for trouble. He's had a go! This could fall anywhere. Bruges seem happy to let their strikers roam out wide.
I wouldn't want that.
No?
No, well, my worry is that their main threat is being shifted out of contention.
Now a chance to break. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Looks to thread it through. He gets past his man. Just brushed off the ball there. The referee's had a look, and he's blown it. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, I think there's plenty to be pleased about with that first half display in terms of the score and overall approach.
Darlington head into the dressing room, pleased with the thought that they have that all-important lead. Analysis to come during the break. Well, the action has already resumed here.
Well, it's been tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now and we get some free-flowing football.
Deftly done. Puts it into the middle. And he's there to clear it. Time for a change in personnel. Knocks it away. And that's one way to annoy his teammates. There's going to be another change here. He's made sure that that won't get through. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Has a hit! Oh, he did the hard part right, but flubbed the finish.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
Cuts it out, and it's played forward. Well read, he sorted that out. Big chance! Oh, that was no routine save.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Dost, and he's going long. He's got options out wide. Gets up to head it! Oh, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Dost really could have done with putting that away. He was up like the proverbial salmon.
Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. And that has been clubbed away.
Darlington are clearly looking to kill this game off. It's keeping the ball away from the other end too.
Belts one! Oh, and that should have been two.
He got too ahead of himself there, thinking how he could have made things safe.
Got a throw in.
Darlington can afford to settle on seeing this one out by running down the clock, I think.
Bruges are making a change now.
Well, he's worked so hard for his side, as you would expect, but you couldn't help notice that he was starting to labour a bit, so it's no surprise.
Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Oh, good challenge, stood up well against his man. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. So that's it.